sleep. No stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up.
Hey fam, it's your girl Diva. I'm coming to you today with the video of my Flip This House project. This is actually going to be episode 2. This is going to be a detailed before. This kitchen, as I expressed when I did the previous video, episode 1, where I just did a quick run through of the whole entire house. This kitchen was probably the worst kitchen I've ever seen in real life or even on TV. Like, I couldn't make this up. There was no ceiling. Literally, if you looked up in the ceiling, you could see the sky, because it went from the basement all the way up through to the attic. I mean, literally, you can see the sky. So when it rained, whatever precipitation was going on outside, it happened inside. So through the debris, there were puddles of water, because when we first had started the house, it was winter. You can see snow throughout the patio door. So it was just really, really bad. I'm doing another video with the kitchen only because the renovations that were done to this kitchen, you'll only appreciate them if you go step by step on how bad, or through the process of how bad this kitchen actually was. So I appreciate all of your comments and your feedback that I've been receiving so far, and I look forward again to going through this journey with you.
Like we're soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out. 'Cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so